Hey painting friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Stoof here, and welcome to my vlog of one day in my life as an artist in the studio. For those of you that are not familiar with my artwork, I'm a contemporary realism style landscape painter. I specialize in landscapes of national parks, golf courses, and other beautiful landscapes. I also am known for my live event painting at weddings. I also do commissioned paintings, so you can check out my website. I have that linked in the description under this video. But anyway, here is a snippet of my life as an artist. On this particular day, which was a Friday, I woke up, I first took care of my two dogs, I let them outside, gave them some breakfast, made some breakfast for myself, and then headed upstairs to my in-home art studio loft space to start my workday. I typically start my day off by having my breakfast and checking emails, responding to emails from clients, things like that. Oh, it's up here. Next, I take a look at my daily planner. I have this convenient little planner where I track my list of things to do for every day. This helps me to keep my schedule on track for meeting deadlines for clients, submitting artwork for exhibitions, and attending events. The first thing on my to-do list was to prepare my social media posts for the week. So I logged into business.facebook.com where I schedule out my posts. I usually schedule my posts for about 5 to 7 days out. I wanted to focus more on autumn-themed paintings with the weather changing to be more like actual fall weather this week, so I scheduled those posts. Next on my to-do list was to submit my sales tax payment to the state of Pennsylvania. I am required to submit a monthly sales tax payment to the state, so all of my sales from the previous month, I have to submit the 6% sales tax to the state of Pennsylvania. So I get out my Excel spreadsheet, calculate how much I owe, go into that Pennsylvania MyPath hub where I submit my payments there. That can take me anywhere from an hour to an hour and a half, depending on how many transactions I logged in the last month. Next, I took a little break and I took my dogs for a walk. As you guys can see, I am pregnant. I am about 36 weeks pregnant, so the baby's due in the next 4 weeks or so. I'm trying to remain active and keep stretching and fitness into my daily routine to help, hopefully, with the labor process coming up soon. After my walk, I had some lunch, head back up to the studio space where I then spend the afternoon working on details of a commissioned painting. This is a painting that was commissioned by a bride. She requested that I paint live for her. Unfortunately, I was already booked that day when she asked, so I let her know that I couldn't paint live for her, but if she sent me pictures, I could still do a commission. So she was interested in that, and I'm happy to create this commission painting for her. She sent me some reference photos, so I've been working on that the last few weeks. I'm about halfway done at this point with this commission. I'd say another 3 to 4 weeks, and that painting should be complete. Alright guys, that wraps up my day in the studio as an artist. I hope you enjoyed watching this vlog. As many of you know, artists do not get to paint all day, every day, as much as we wish we could. We are running businesses, so as you saw in my vlog, part of my day was just doing the business side of things. Tomorrow is Saturday, and my plans for tomorrow are to try to get in about 6 hours of painting time, working on these guys back here, these wedding paintings. I started those live at the venue, and now I'm adding the details for my studio. I do work weekends. My schedule is kind of flexible all week long, so if I have to run some errands midday during the week, I'll do that. If I have to work weekends, then I'll do that as well. So I just kind of try to get work in whenever I can. With me being about 36 weeks pregnant, I know that I will not be working much about a month from now. So I am like in that go mode of trying to get as much done as I can before the baby comes. My workload today is not the same every single day. Some days I get more painting time in. Some days I don't get to paint at all. Some days I'll work for like 6 hours, and some days I'll work for more than 12 hours. It just kind of depends on my deadlines, when paintings are due to clients, when things need to be completed in time to dry, to be in exhibitions and things like that. So with that in mind, I know that my workload in November 2024 is less than it was in November 2023. I took on less work this fall season due to my pregnancy, and I know that 3 months from now, my workload is gonna be minimal with a newborn baby at home. So my workload's constantly changing. That's a good thing about working for yourself. So yeah, that basically sums up my studio days as an artist. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I gave you a little bit more information there about what my schedule is like on average, not just in one day. So hopefully you found that information helpful. If you are an artist yourself, leave a comment below and let me know what your daily routine is like. If you have a routine at all, like I said, I kind of do, but it's not always the same. So I'm interested in hearing more about what your day is like as an artist. If you guys have any questions for me about my art business, you can leave a comment below as well. And make sure you guys check out my art website, StephMoracaFineArt.com. All right, have a wonderful day and happy painting. Bye.